The following segment is sponsored by Segelke Financial Group. Welcome back. There are two very important factors that go into any retirement: Social Security and Medicare.
Luckily, our friend and resident financial expert, Jeff Segelke, is here to break it all down for us. Now, Jeff, I hear that Social Security is actually running out. Is this something that we still need to even be planning for?
Yeah, according to the federal government, they're telling us that Social Security will go broke, basically be out of money, in the year 2033 or 2034, and that there will only be enough coming in from people working to pay about 80% of what they've promised. So that's a real issue.
Yeah, that's so scary,
alarming.
especially for people that are younger. The funds aren't even going to be there.
Right. And so what I would say is, for those age 55 and older, you probably don't have to worry. Your benefits should stay intact. They probably won't change your benefits. But for those younger than 50, yeah, it's something to be concerned about.
You're out of
because
luck.
It's going broke.
Okay, so what can we do at our age and those over 50 to get the most out of these plans? And should we even bank on it at all, I guess, our age?
Yeah, for someone who's under age 50, I would say don't plan on Social Security. It's not that it won't be there, but it's going to change. It's either they're going to have to cut benefits, or they're going to raise taxes to pay for that, or they're going to do something. And so, but for those who are age 55 and older, or already in retirement, your benefits are probably not going to change. And so it's just a matter of figuring out when should you start your Social Security benefit? What are the best strategies to get the most out of it? And are you getting all the different benefits that you should be getting? For example, I've ran into a number of people who just aren't even getting what they should be getting. They were getting $400 a month and they should have been getting $1,000 a month. And it's just about knowing between spousal benefits and your own benefits, making sure you're getting the right benefits.
Well, and both of these programs, I feel like, are so complex. Do they do this on purpose to throw people off so they don't get as much money?
The federal government does not make any programs easy.
No.
And Medicare is super complicated. So for those who are age 65 or older, that's the health insurance plan for retirees. At 65, you've got to make a decision. You've got to get onto Medicare. And there's all sorts of different options. And in fact, Medicare is making huge changes this year, come January 1st. And so for anybody over age 65, they should definitely give us a call so that we can help them figure out their options. For example, one of the most popular options is Plan F. It's a Medicare supplement plan. It's going away as of January 1st. And so a lot of people are going to need to find new plans, or their current plan rates are going to go up extremely high, and it's just going to be unaffordable.
Okay, so you have some free educational classes coming up to help people understand Medicare, Social Security, how it can benefit them. How can we get involved?
Yes, so because it's so complicated, I'm teaching a free class, and we're teaching it across the Wasatch Front. So give us a call or visit our website. You can register right online at maximizeyoursss, as in Social Security.com, or give us a call. And we can get you registered for the class. You can come, and it's just a free hour educational class where I'll teach you the basics of Social Security and Medicare, and make sure you're making the right decisions for your retirement.
That's free. You can't get better than that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And the other thing, we've got a free guide. So if you can't come to the class, just call us and ask for the free guide on Medicare and Social Security.
Giving it all away,
we'll get that
Jeff.
out to you. That way you can make good decisions for your retirement.
There's no reason that you should not be educated or understand what to do, and you can come to you as a professional and get that help and guidance.
That's right.
Thanks so
we'd
much.
love to help.
One more time, where can we go for more?
So visit maximizeyoursss.com or give us a call. I'm also going to be talking about this on my radio show this weekend on KNRS. That's 105.9 FM at 7 a.m. and at 2 p.m.
Great info. Thanks, Jeff.
Thanks.